Hello everyone, it's been a glorious day here in Scotland today, so I thought I'd head out this evening to the south side of Aberdeen and head up Tullos Hill and catch the sunset. We're just hiking up it now. Once we get to the top we'll do some time lapses, and I've got the drone with me, so maybe we'll take that for a test flight. So I've noticed, looking at my channel analytics, that there's a lot of people, quite a high percentage actually, that watch the channel but aren't yet subscribed. So if you're one of those people, go and hit that red subscribe button now, hit the bell notification button. It's free and you'll be supporting the channel. So as you can see now, I'm at the top of Tullos Hill. The sun is setting over there. We've got about half an hour, so I'm going to set up the gear now and hopefully we'll get a good sunset. So the sun has now disappeared behind the hill in the distance there. I'm going to head back down because it's getting quite cold now. But thanks for tuning in, and I hope you enjoyed watching the sunset with me. See you next time.